This semester has really put my time management skills to the test. With working 2 jobs at over 40 hours a week and going to school full time, I can now finally give a sigh of relief that the semester is going to be over. I thought I was going to be able to breeze through this semester like I have done in the past, but this semester I challenged myself by taking more content-heavy classes, and it finally caught up to me when I had to decide how to use my time wisely, whether to spend it with friends or whether to spend it at home doing homework. One of the assignments that I enjoyed the most this semester was one of the first assignments that we did, which was to go to Prism, find an article, and write an editorial on it. I thought that it was a different spin on trying to figure out how students write because it gave us the freedom to choose the topic that we want so we can actually show how we can write. Another assignment that I enjoyed this semester was the exploratory paper where we got to choose a topic in education that we thought needed fixing and try to fix it ourselves. I enjoyed that we had a class discussion where we had debates and tried to figure out how we were going to reform private education or public education and which one was better. But just like in any fast lane, there's bound to be a crash. When I was visiting my family over spring break in Las Vegas, I was rear-ended, and that drastically changed my life. The dilemma that I now face is trying to find a new car. Should I get another Jeep? Should I get a Prius? Or should I get an all-electric Nissan Leaf? The answer, you would think, would be the all-electric Nissan Leaf. Although the vehicle itself does not emit carbon emissions, the way you power it might. If you're powering it with solar panels, then you're okay. But if you're powering it using your home's electricity that it gets from a coal-burning plant, then you might actually be doing more harm to the environment than helping it. Over the last 100 years, carbon emission levels have risen dramatically, causing the temperature in the Earth to rise. With America being the second highest polluting country on the planet, it doesn't help. The more CO2 emissions that we produce, the thicker the atmosphere gets, which causes heat to be trapped on the Earth rather than escaping into space. With the increase in temperatures, there are droughts that cause rivers and lakes to dry up, such as Lake Mead. We need to reduce the amount of carbon emissions that we put out into the world so that the generations after us can still enjoy the Earth. This can be as simple as turning off the lights when you leave a room, or taking a colder shower causing your water heater to turn on less often. Maybe try carpooling with someone once a week, or riding your bike to the store. There are so many ways to help out the environment, and it all starts with us.